Hello everyone, welcome to my this new video. So today I am going to show you how you can edit your any image that you have added to the Wix site. So I will show you how you can add different filters to the image, to the any image you add to the Wix. So this is the image which I have taken. This is the rider on a bike. So what I will do is I will just click here. As you can see here, it's given a filter. So by clicking here, this window opens. So here it says choose a filter. So here there are many options: none, Kennedy, darken, blur, lighten, faded, and many more. So you can choose any of the filter that you want. So let's say we choose this filter. So this is how it looks right now. Pretty, isn't it? So in this way you can do it. So this is the one of the way that you can use. I have reloaded it. So now I will show you the second way. So I click first you need to click the image, then settings, then adjust. This window opens. Then here you can click on filters. It's loading. It's taking its own time. Here we go. Here are the options. As you can see, it's given color filters, and these are the options that we saw previously in the previous method. So it had came in the right box in the right side, which we did earlier. So here are the same effects that we can choose. So now we will choose one of the effects again. So I will choose this tropical one, and here there is advanced way that we can edit. So here, as you can see, we do have an option to choose the intensity of the filter. So this is the to the maximum level 100%, and this is by scrolling it you can reduce it to the some extent. You can also make it zero like this. As you can see, the filter is gone, and like this it's in there. So save. So this is how we do it. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.